Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use InfinitePay.io for point of sale transactions, which is also known as POS transactions. Whether you are managing a retail store or a small business, InfinitePay.io makes POS transactions seamless. So let's get started. First of all, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. After that, navigate to the POS section. This is where you can set up and manage your POS transactions. Set up your POS terminal or device. InfinitePay.io may provide options for integrating with hardware or using a mobile device. Configure your POS settings, including your payment methods, tax rates, and receipt preferences. To process a sale, enter the transaction details such as item descriptions, quantities, and prices. The system will calculate the total amount, including taxes and fees. Select the payment method used by the customer, such as credit card, debit card, or mobile payment. Complete the transaction by processing the payment through InfinitePay.io. You may need to swipe, insert, or tap the payment card or use a mobile payment option. Provide the customer with a receipt, either printed or digital, confirming the transaction details. Monitor and manage your POS transactions through the InfinitePay.io dashboard. You can track sales, view transaction history, and manage inventory if applicable. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use InfinitePay.io for POS transactions. This feature helps streamline your sales process and manage your transactions efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.